Hi there, it's me Robin from RBN Solutions, a professional WordPress design and development agency. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this video, I am going to show you what type of logo you can get only for $5 from Fiverr. First, let me tell you what is Fiverr. Actually, Fiverr is a marketplace where a lot of sellers is working here and a lot of customers hiring designers, developers, marketers, workers, any kind of online related services you can get done from here. So I am going to hire a logo designer. So search for logo design. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel. Your subscription is our inspiration. If you subscribe our channel, you will get more inspiration to create more useful tutorials in future. If you subscribe our channel, you don't need to cost. I am giving you some tips, some tutorials, some working video or helpful tutorials. So please help us to grow our community. Just subscribe our channel. In the search result, you can see a lot of designers designing logos with various prices. So $40, $30, $100, $100, $160, 2090, $100 only for a logo. $600, a lot of prices. $500, but we want to hire a designer only for $5. If you want to hire online sellers who are currently on online, you can select this. Or if you want to hire designers from your area, you can select local sellers. If you need pro service, you can check this. And delivery time you can select from here. And our budget is only $5. This is the lowest budget of Fiverr. So I want to see what type of logo I can get with my lowest price. You can see a lot of designers with good reviews. If you see a lot of reviews, a lot of works they have done already. So I am going to hire someone. Here also you can see 1K plus reviews. I have selected actually a gig already. It says the seller name is New Design 786. He has 1700 plus ratings and currently he has 26 orders in queue. Maybe he is super busy, but I want to see what type of quality, what type of logo he deliver. And the gig title is I will do a modern business logo. Actually, he is really very good seller. I hope he will deliver a great amazing logo for me. So here you can see some package, basic package. You will get two logo concepts with high resolutions, JPEG, PNG, etc. Unlimited revisions is really very amazing. Unlimited revisions you are getting only for $5, and standard package you will create three logo concepts and file types, then unlimited revisions here also, and you will see what's include. And in the premium you will get four concepts with high resolutions and unlimited revisions, and all the list you will get only for $25. It's really amazing. So I want to move with just $5. I want to see the quality for $5. So click on continue for $5. Then you have to click on continue to check out. And I have already added my MasterCard. If you haven't add your MasterCard here, you have to add MasterCard. You have to put MasterCard information. After that, you have to click on confirm and pay. The order is processing, and then you want some information from you. The most important notice, always request revision to prevent auto completion by Fiverr when you think you need changes. But even then, if the order is auto completed, you can reach me in the inbox. I will assist you. It's really amazing. If you are super busy, he made delivery, the order has been completed automatically. No worries, just go to his inbox and text him. He will give you the revisions. It's really super service. Then he wants from you company name or logo text, tagline or slogan, short description about company, color preference, specific idea, typography preference, and sample logos you like. Uh, so you will see more details. I don't want to give him a lot of details. I want to give him just idea and I want to see what type of logo he is providing. So here I am going to add some description. Hi, I need a logo basically for a WordPress design and development company. And here I have described about my logo, and you can see some more box you have to explain. So you can give answer following those questions. So, but don't want to give any more idea to him. So just say already explained. Then already explained. Then you have to check this and then click on start order. And boom, the order has been started already. So my designer will respond here. You can send a message to him directly here. Hi, good luck bro. The time is 1 day, so he will take 1 day for the logo. So I will back to you 1 day later, and I am really super excited what type of logo I can get only for $5. So I have to wait 1 day and I will get back to you guys soon. Again, thank you. Hey, so I'm back again, and I can see the designer has delivered my logo. So I'm really very excited what type of logo and what type of quality I'm getting from the seller only for $5. I'm really super excited. So I have to click on view delivery. Then here is the logo. I said him to design. He made the two design, but I really want to see. Maybe it's awesome. I am seeing it's looking nice. Uh, this is one thing I can see. Here he has used wave icon, and here I can see its WordPress icon. I ordered for a WordPress development company, so I really like this. And you can see the font RBN, that is really very clear to understand, and web solutions. It's awesome, and the idea I really like this. In the top of the aim, he used WordPress icon because I have ordered him for WordPress development company logo, so he used his idea. It's really super duper because it's just for only $5 logo. Can you imagine? You are getting super idea with super logo. I really liked this, and I will highly recommend the seller. I have seen his more words. He really very awesome, and only for $5. Can you imagine? It's really super. I am really surprised after seeing the idea and logo. I want to use this on my website for sure. So I hope if you need any kind of logo, you will contact with him, or if you need any kind of website, whatever you want, you can do from Fiverr. And please subscribe our channel. I will make this type of video in future again with another category or another things. So please subscribe our channel and please help to grow up our channel. Uh, Thank you.